very excited to be here today with some staff from City Planning, some folks from the Adopt an ESA program, and some folks from the Thames Valley Trail Association, and of course the amazing Upper Thames River Conservation Authority ESA team who help manage these amazing natural areas for us under a contract that the city funds and has done since probably almost 20 years now, which is a great accomplishment and a wonderful partnership between the city and the Upper Thames. And here we're doing some naturalization planting of wildflowers. We do spend a lot of time managing invasives with the team and things like that, so it's nice for a change to be putting some native stuff back in, improving the biodiversity, creating some prairie habitat, which is sort of rare and imperiled, and we need more of it for birds and pollinators and species like that. So it's wonderful to be out here today doing hands-on work.
There exists in Kilally Meadows, remnant of Ontario tallgrass prairie. It's really quite beautiful as far as the Indian grass, big bluestem, little bluestem, and the other plants, including some very rare ones that were revealed in this city plan inventory.
The big change, I think, for us was being able to collaborate with the city to be able to do a restoration plan. We were able to do that assessment within a year as a pilot project within Kilally Meadows, working with Upper Thames and also the city. And now what we're seeing here really is a huge amount of commitment to that plan. So this is one of the priority areas that was identified, and really it gives us that blueprint to be able to work and to be able to get more and more people out and working in collaboration with the city and Upper Thames to really make a huge difference to Kilally Meadows.